Welcome to my new video. If you're thinking about starting a business, there are many ways to start a business that let you focus less on the logistics and upfront costs and more on getting your ideas quickly off the ground. In 2024, some small business ideas make a great entry point for beginners, bootstrappers, or anyone with a busy schedule, and let you start a side business without having to drop everything else. One of the most favorite idea is design and sell print-on-demand t-shirts. Print-on-demand puts inventory, shipping, and fulfillment in the hands of a third-party supplier. The benefit of print-on-demand is you're customizing products with your own designs to create something original. T-shirts, hats, phone cases, hoodies, skirts, tote bags, and more become canvases for your creativity. You can think up witty slogans for developers or references that resonate with cat owners. If there's passion and pride within a community, there's a potential t-shirt business you can start. Even if you're not a designer, you can find one to work with using freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Dribbble, or 99 Designs. You can even use t-shirt mock-up templates, so you won't need to spend money on a full photo shoot for every new design. Number 2, sell baked goods. Are you always called on to bake cakes and sweet treats for your friends and family? If the answer is yes, you can sell baked goods to locals in your community. In addition to baking cakes for birthdays and events, your bakery business plan could also include creating batches of baked goods to sell in local coffee shops and cafes, or distribute more broadly through an online store. Number 3, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a fulfillment model where a third-party supplier stores and ships inventory to customers on your behalf. It's one of the best businesses to start because it's low overhead, hands-off, and scalable. You don't need to handle any products yourself. You just need to make the sales and pass orders on to your supplier. In fact, it's one of the quickest and cheapest businesses to start. You can curate products from one or more suppliers into your own online store under a theme that focuses on a specific dropshipping niche, like gear for yoga enthusiasts or water bowls for dogs. When a customer buys a product from you, the order is sent to your supplier, who fulfills it on your behalf. However, you are still responsible for marketing and customer service. Dropshipping is a great way to sell trending products and launch a business before you invest in your own original products. Number 4, sell digital products. Digital products include templates, journals, checklists, guides, and designs people can download and use from the comfort of their homes. It's easy to experiment with a variety of different product types to see what sells. Simply use a design tool like Canva to design your downloads and create a website, or use a marketplace like Etsy to sell them on. Number 5, launch your own book, cookbooks, picture books, comic books, poetry books, photo books, coffee table books, and novels. If you've got the knowledge or creativity, there are a variety of original books you can bring to the market. The options are endless. That's why it's one of the best small business ideas to start. Print-on-demand is a relatively safe way to test the waters and get started with self-publishing. It also gives you control over the quality and look of your book. Lulu Express and Blurb are popular platforms to create, order, and distribute your own books as physical and digital products. You could also sell it on third-party marketplaces like Amazon or Powell's. While you can order one book at a time, costs naturally go down when you buy in bulk. Consider pre-selling or crowdfunding your book idea to ensure there's demand, and guarantee a certain number of sales so you can feel confident making a bulk order. Launching your own book can be a great way to monetize a blog if you have or are looking to start one. Number 6, sell handcrafted and homemade goods. If you're a maker, whether that's DIY soap, candles, sauces, or pottery, you're in a position to find a small business idea because product development and procurement are literally in your hands. Unlike many of the other ideas on this list, you will need to consider shipping and inventory management, but you can start out simple on a per-order basis or with a small batch until you start generating consistent sales. In fact, many makers on Shopify started out with a home business idea, selling on Etsy or eBay, or to friends and family through word of mouth, and grew into full-time small business owners after establishing demand for their products. Just be mindful of any regulations in your product category, especially for anything customers will eat, inhale, or put on their skin. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us for more informational videos, and thank you for like and share.